In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your Fire TV stick is unable to update. Okay, for the first step, we go from the home menu to the right to the settings, and here we can see on my Fire TV, and here we can do a restart to restart our Fire TV stick. Sometimes this helps. After that, we can go back, and here we can click on account and profile settings. And then we go down here, and here we have parental controls, and here you should turn this off if it is on. After that, we can go back again, click on my Fire TV, and then here, when we are here, we click on about. And then we can go down, and here we can check for updates. So do this, and yeah, here you can see if you need an update or not. And if this not helps, you can go back again, and here we can go on network. And what we can do with our network now is to turn Wi-Fi on and off to restart the Wi-Fi. And we also can do the troubleshooting tips. And what we also can do is click on see all networks, and then we can rescan. And when we find our network here, we can click on this button to forget our network, and then we can so when we here have our network like this, click on forget and then reconnect this, and after that your update problem should be fixed. If your storage is full and you have no storage for the update, you also can go back again here, click on applications, and then click on manage installed applications, and then here we can go to specific applications, and yeah, you see if your storage is full, and if this is the case, we can click this button to clear the cache, or we can also uninstall it when we click on this button. Okay, if I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we'll find the solution, and then see you next time.